Hi guys, this is me Krisha Jain.
Hi guys, this is me Mohit, and I'm here at the Glam studio to do Krisha's makeup for a Valentine date, and let's see how it goes.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit.
Let's try this eyeshadow first. I hope I don't disappoint you. Let's try some shimmer.
You just did shimmer.
So I've got this pencil. It's clearly reminding of me of my crayons.
If you do anything wrong, I'm gonna kill you.
So now let me try this. This looks very fascinating.
What do you think this is?
I don't know. This says it's MyGlamm K Play Raspberry Blush. So let's try raspberry blush on you. People are going to admire you when you go out.
I don't want people to admire.
See, you're done now.
Let me just see myself. Oh shit. What is that eyeshadow?
No, it's looking perfect.
And look at the blush. Definitely.
Arey, you're looking like a raspberry now.
What are you
Which
taking
one
next?
Let's try lipstick.
Okay, that looks a bit dark. You can hold it like this.
Okay.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
I need to take more.
No, you don't need to take more.
You're on the upper lip.
Oh god.
It's done.
Let me just. Oh god.
You can try and fixing.
Definitely I
Yeah.
will.
Okay, so since I knew that I'm going to do this video with you, I watched many YouTube channels just to not goof it up.
Oh.
So I've got this amazing product. So this is the new Pose HD highlighter, which I'm now going to try it on you.
Oh, so you've learned the tapping trick also, huh?
Yes, I hope this is used here only.
Yeah, you're doing it right.
Okay, so now I think you're ready.
Done?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are done now.
Yeah.
We're all ready for the date.
Oh, not bad. The blush is little too much, but I think
It's
good
okay.
job.
I deserve a high five for this.
Definitely. You do. That's a good job. I think few more steps and then you can be my personal makeup artist.
That was I was waiting for. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section below.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for more such videos. And download the MyGlamm app and be a part of the Glam community. Also click here to watch more such videos of Bae Does My Makeup. And happy Valentine's Day!